Are you ready to be the hero on the field? To be the one who steps up when it matters most? Whether you're a sports coach, PE teacher, athlete, personal trainer, gym staff, or an aspiring sports coach, it's time to equip yourself with the knowledge and skills of first aid that can make all the difference. Our CPD certified sports first aid course is designed to empower you with the tools you need to be a sports first aider. In this course, you'll learn to conduct primary and secondary surveys, assess a casualty, and monitor vital signs. You'll master the art of using wound dressings, bandages, CPR aids, and other first aid kit contents. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also be able to recognize the signs and symptoms of heart attacks, seizures, and asthma attacks. Join us in this life-changing journey. Enroll now in Sports First Aid and become a certified sports first aider.